here we are. Our first fish to eat here. It's a Queenie.
I'm so excited. This is our first edible fish since we left Perth. Oh my goodness, it is so delicious.
We've got some garlic, a bit of salt and pepper.
Perfectly cooked, babe.
Wrapped in foil.
This
just
is
like
so much fun. This is
I got told it's just like Tailor, and it is. It's just.
Didn't you say someone said it was a shit fish?
Well, a lot of people don't like them, but I don't see anything wrong with it actually.
Maybe we're just really, really hungry.
Maybe. No, it's meaty. Look at it, meaty.
Yeah, it's a really different textured meat, isn't it?
Oh, it's beautiful. So there we have it. Got our first edible fish, and it's going down a treat. I think later we'll have a beer and a wine or something.
Oh, shit, yeah. Oh, yeah. I want to go back and have a whole thing of those ones. Try different ones, though.
No. Oh, this is beautiful.
Yellow.
There we go.
Well done, babe.
Queenfish, a la garlic, pepper, salt, steamed in nice bit of foil. Just divine.
Yep.
Should have been a chef.
Also funny.